Hello and welcome to Upside Down Crypto. In this video I will look at the current market, some brand new coins with great potential and some great ICOs with open whitelists where you can join right now. Let's get started. So let's look at today's market. Bitcoin's gone down slightly, around 0.5%. Ethereum's gone up around 3%. Binance Coin has gone up about 5%. That Binance Coin is probably going to hit 1,000 very soon. Solana's gone down 0.20%. Cardano 1.79. Cardano doesn't want to move. So Cardano reached 2, then went to 180, then 2 again, then 180. They're not doing well. I mean, I have a lot of Cardano. I hope they're going to do well. Let's see. XRP down very slightly. Dogecoin gone up around 3%. AVAX gone down 8%, but not to worry because it went up around 40% in the past few days. Shiba's gone down again around 5%. In the past 7 days, 16%. Crypto.com coins gone up quite a lot. I think they're working on their blockchain technology and all that stuff. If that's released, then crypto.com would be the next BNB. They have a new headquarters. They got this stadium. They turned it into a headquarter. It's quite famous. They're spending a lot of money on marketing. Matic, Polygon gone up again. Polygon is going to be the next Ethereum probably. If Ethereum does well, then Polygon does well because Ethereum needs Polygon. So I'm guessing that Matic will reach around 10, 20, 30, 100 soon. It's very realistic. Bitcoin Cash gone down slightly and VeChain gone up very, very, very slightly. Let's look at the losers, winners, and the trending coins. So, King Shiba is trending again. MicroPet's trending. Galaxy Heroes coin is trending. Taboo token is trending. A lot of these are meme coins trending again. Biggest gainer, Solar Energy. I checked out this company actually this morning and I couldn't find a lot of information about the company, but the company is doing quite well. But this doesn't mean it's a good coin. So they maybe have a lot of hype or they're doing pump and dump, but maybe they are a good coin. Who knows? Angry Squid, they're doing well. All Best ICO doing well, but these coins, I haven't seen any real backbone behind them. Biggest losers, again, a bunch of meme coins are biggest losers. Let's look at some new coins. Lundex, which let's open up this one here. Lundex, I do like Lundex. It has a lot of potential because the team is doxed and they have a good following on Twitter. The Twitter is not exactly brand new, so that's good. Their website looks really nice. And as I said, you can actually find the team on LinkedIn and they have a very nice roadmap, so read it. All this stuff is sent to you via my mailing list. If you subscribe, you receive all this link and all this stuff. So go to UpsideDownCrypto.com and chuck in your email, subscribe to get these informations before I release the videos. So I went through all these new coins which were released. Like, look at all these new coins released every few minutes, like something Shiba. So anything with a Shiba in the name, probably not a good long-term investment, maybe a good investment for a pump and dump. So don't buy anything with a Shiba in the name unless it's Shiba Inu, obviously. But anything with Shiba is usually a quick pump, then it goes back to zero. Not always though. I found this one, which is quite cool, Solar Bear, and it's basically a token on the Solana ecosystem. It's not doing anything special, but they have a good following on Twitter. It's quite a brand new Twitter. I don't know how they got 9,000 in a month, but hey, they're doing quite well. They're doing okay. They had a lot of likes on their Twitters. Currently standing at 0.0001079, 112% up in the past few hours. This coin, I really like this coin actually, called GemPay. I think this one has even more potential. This is on the Matic blockchain. It's been doing really well. I think this is going to hit $1 very quickly. And look at their website. It's just amazing. They have a really beautiful website. They have a game where you don't have a playable game, so they don't actually have a demo on the actual game. But it's all about staking, metaverse, and NFTs and all that stuff. If you look at their Twitter, they have 118,000 followers, so they have a strong community. This coin has a lot of potential. Moving to some ICOs, I think Victoria VR has good potential. It's a really beautiful project. They have great community on Twitter. They've been around since last year, so it's not like one of these new projects, and you can sign up to their whitelist. Again, all this is on my mailing list. And another project I like is called Monet, which is basically an app where you can showcase your NFTs and all that stuff, and you can also sign up to their whitelist here. If you get through any of these whitelists, then you could potentially turn a $100 investment into 10,000 sometimes in some cases, but $100 into 1,000, very possible. 10x your money easily. I'm making these videos / podcasts for people who don't have time to search the cryptoverse for new opportunities. I'm doing all the research so you don't have to. I'm consolidating everything that matters, meaning basically everything that has potential for 100xing very soon, into one short video. My aim is to eventually become the only video busy people like you need to watch on a daily basis to stay up to date with the cryptoverse. In order for that to happen, I need your support. It could be as simple as hitting that subscribe button or smashing that like button and sharing the video, or subscribing to my mailing list on my website, UpsideDownCrypto.com. Make sure you also click on that notification bell to get my videos. These are really good opportunities, brand new coins, so don't miss out. Till next time, crypto out.